Hello, I have a BMW 2010 328i. I was experiencing a problem where it would crank but wouldn't start. I fixed it now. I would prove it by actually starting my car, but my belt just snapped. So I'm not going to try to start it or mess up anything. But basically, I'm going to tell y'all the fix. Damn, where the hell did I put it? Well, I'm going to describe it. I'm going to look for what I'm trying to show y'all. But it's an orange wire that basically kept blowing my fuse 37. That orange wire, for me, it had a fray on it near my water pump. Now, damn, what the hell did I do with it? Excuse my car, it's pretty junky. Hold on. See, so your water pump has a connector like this attached to it. For me, and also I seen a YouTube video that's actually what led me to the solution. I seen a YouTube video, it's real low key. I don't even think it has more than 1,000 views, but the dude in the comments was basically telling about how he had the same problem, so it might be common, but basically we'll just pretend this is orange. The wire had a fray on it right near my water pump, which was shorting out my whole car. Like, pretend this little sticker right here is the fray. It was real. Damn, my battery just fell. It was a real little fray, like barely any exposed wire, but that was enough to cause a short. So basically, if you're experiencing this problem too with codes 2ACB, 2ACC, and if you replace fuse, for me it was fuse 37 that kept blowing. Here's my diagram if you're interested in seeing what that looks like. Maybe your car has the same hookup as mine. I think they said it's different for each car. I can't recall. But fuse 37 falls underneath whatever symbol this is. I think it has something to do with I think it just means engine. I don't know. Not an expert here. And here's my layout. So fuse 37 is a 30 amp. I think that's what it's, I don't know. Like I'm saying, I'm not an expert, but yet I fixed it. You can too. Don't give up. I know some people were talking about they spent like $5,000, $10,000 trying to get the issue fixed. I mean, personally, this is just to stop that, prevent you from going to the dealership and getting it absolutely tossed. But yeah, just look for your orange wire. Mine's, like I'm saying, and the other dudes in the comment section, ours were both near our water pump. Pretend, like I said, pretend this yellow wire is orange and look for a fray on that. Clean up all the oil on it, because I know you have oil down there because these cars leak nothing but oil. But yeah, check for that, and that might actually be the fix for you too. And replace your fuse 37 after you fix that, and you should be good. If not, you will have to find a wire diagram and see where that orange wire is actually located and trace it all the way around. But that should fix your issue pretty cheap. Yeah, good luck.